Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this we're going to do the KineMaster video rendering speed test comparison between the iPhone 12 versus Realme GT device. Snapdragon 888 processor versus iPhone 12 Apple's Bionic A14 chipset. Let's see which phone will be able to render the videos faster and export them. This is what my main idea of comparing between these both phones. Right now all the apps are completely clear from the background. As you can see, there's no running applications. At this moment, let me disable the Wi-Fi because KineMaster video rendering application doesn't require any kind of Wi-Fi connection. And right now I'll be selecting the same video clip between these both phones, and I got a stopwatch ready, and we're gonna check which phone actually renders the same video faster. So this is going to be really very interesting to see. And first let's use the 1080 video clip. I'm trying to convert it into 1080 only. I'm trying to select the same type of output size. Let me try to delete the previous files which I don't require anymore. As you can see, output size I've estimated is of about close to 222 MB is the estimated size. Same estimated size in the iPhone 12 as well. 222 MB which I'm trying to estimate at this moment. Let's see. Exporting 1080 to 1080 30 FPS only. I'll try to convert. Let me try to convert to 1080 to 1080 30 FPS. Yes. So 1080 30 FPS and 1080 30 FPS. Both are perfect, right? Let's start the test. So let's 1, 2, and 3. So Snapdragon 888 processor versus Apple's A14 Bionic chip. Now we'll be able to understand exactly how much potential is with the Snapdragon 888 processor versus Apple A14 Bionic chipset. And after this, I'll try to include the 4K rendering as well. So that's going to be another interesting test. Because right now in the 1080 test, I think the Realme GT Snapdragon 888 processor was able to perform slightly faster. As you can see, it's performing slightly faster than the iPhone 12. 35 seconds the Realme GT Snapdragon 888 processor finished complete rendering, and iPhone 12 is taking slightly kind of more time. 42 seconds and 43 seconds of time the phone did take. Now let's select the 4K rendering speed. Let's see what happens with the 4K. I'll try to keep the estimated size about close to 700 MB and trying to keep average. So let's keep 700 MB only. The estimated, I'm trying to manage the estimated output size. It should be kind of very much equal. So right now the output size is about close to 699 MB, which is kind of close to 700 MB. As you can see, exactly same size. I'm trying to do the rendering test from 1080 to 4K rendering speed. I'm trying to convert 1080 to 4K. 1, 2, and 3. Now let's check out the magic what happens at this moment with the intense kind of 4K rendering speeds. Which phone can actually finish fast with this kind of intense testing which I'm trying to do at this moment. So right now, as you can see, when the Realme GT was able to wow, finish them. That's pretty good, pretty fast. 60% got finished. Snapdragon triplet processor versus Apple A14 Bionic chipset. You can see the speeds, how quick it is. Not bad. That's better, as you can see, friends. So the Snapdragon 888 processor was able to completely dominate the Apple A14 Bionic chipset in terms of the KineMaster video rendering speed test. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for updates, and this is a quick comparison between both phones and exporting. And these are the results which we got. Apple A14 Bionic chipset is taking some time to export and render. So meanwhile, signing off. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye.